Welcome back to Once Upon a Gun, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have another Glock for you. This is actually one that we're just bringing to the channel, but it may be one of the last times that you see it. This is a Glock G40 in 10mm, and this is one of the discontinued models. We've been moving lots of these through the shops because they have gone on a discount from Glock, since Glock is no longer going to make them. So I'm always a big fan of 10mm. As one of my old cop buddies used to say out hunting, when 9mm doesn't say F you enough, you go to 10mm. I thought it was kind of funny. So anyway, whether you consider it practical or not, it's up to you. But let's take a look at what we got here. Got your standard black case. Open it up. Oh, it's probably not supposed to be there. Comes with your adapter set, which is always nice to have. Got your magazines. Let's make sure the file, oh, that's heavy. Love it. Another one. Okay. Got your cleaning kit. Got your back straps. I like that Glock does that. I know some people just have the mentality that, hey, I'm just going to use what's on there, but you got to make your gun your own. You got to make it fit, right? So I think it's great to have those. Got your cleaning brush. Got your gun lock. And your manual. I'm not going to open this for the customer, but make sure you read these. Very important stuff. These put back here. Now let's take a look at the gun. So this, different than the Glock 20, which is also 10mm, this Glock 40 is the long slide version. So this is a 6-inch model. Shoots 10mm. It's got optic cut, so it's ready to go for you. If you don't want that though, of course, it's still got your standard Glock black and white sights ready to go for you. So everything else about it, typical Glock. I mean, feels Glock, but it feels super solid. Some wiggle, that's fine, right? You expect that from Glock, but at the price of these pistols, it's really hard to beat the value. And if you are looking for a 10mm, this one is probably your best option, especially at the price that you can get them for right now. So we'll check out the trigger. I bet you it's going to be just like a standard Glock trigger that you all know and love, or don't. Mushy. Yep. Oh man. Yep. Long reset. Mush. Yep. So everything that you'd expect about a Glock trigger, still getting it with this Glock 40. So this is a Gen 4. So you see it does have the finger grooves. I know some people love them, some people hate them. But whether you like it or not, if you buy this gun, that's what you get. So, see it in all its glory. This thing's really neat. I love 10mm. There's not a ton of options out there, but the market is growing for whatever reason. There's some, Springfield makes their XD models. There's quite a few other ones. There's even niche brands like Stealth Arms talking about potentially one day making platypus in 10mm. How awesome would that be, right? So this is super cool. I think everyone should have a 10mm. I don't have a good justification as to why that is, but I mean, if you need to grow your collection, why wouldn't you add a 10mm? Right? So super simple controls. Would love to show you something cool about a Glock, but again, it's a Glock. You love it or you hate it. Even if you hate it, you probably have a ton of them, so you know everything there is to know about this gun. But we wanted to share it with you anyway. So appreciate you tuning in. This gun's super cool. Get them while you can. They're on their way out. Glock's focusing on more streamlined product offering. So if you want to get one, go to your distributor, call your dealer, Google it up, go to Gunbroker, wherever you want, but make sure you get one while you can. These are super awesome. If you shot one, if you have one, if you want one, put it down in the comments. We'll start a discussion about it. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys on the next one.